Okay, today let's learn the 13th structure. The 13th structure. Let's see what the structure is. The structure is I did not mean to. I did not mean to. After I did not mean to, we have to use V1. Did not mean to plus V1 plus something. This is the structure. Now let's see how we can use this structure. This structure is used to talk about structure is used to talk about applies for something that was done, applies for something that was done unintentionally. The structure is used to talk about applies for something that was done unintentionally, means something you have done unintentionally. For doing that unintentionally, you want to apply someone. In this sense, this structure is used. Now let's see some examples. I did not mean to I did not mean to help you. I did not mean to blame you. I did not mean to forget your birthday. I did not mean to misguide you. I did not mean to spill the coffee on your shirt. I did not mean to arrive late. I did not mean to leave you alone. I did not mean to give wrong guidance. I did not mean to disturb you. I did not mean to spoil your plans. I did not mean to skip your idea. I did not mean to I did not mean to leave you. I did not mean to leave this matter. I did not mean to forget this. I did not mean to be dishonest. I did not mean to your mobile. I did not mean to judge you. I did not mean to judge you. I did not mean to be late for the party. I did not mean to be late for the party. I did not mean to ignore you. I did not mean to break my promise. I did not mean to tell about him in dishonest way. Okay, thank you. Let's meet in the next session.